Every baby uses thousands of diapers before they learn to walk. But have you ever wondered how something so soft, so absorbent, and so reliable is made at such massive scale? Today, we're going inside a modern factory to reveal the fascinating science and precision behind how diapers are made. Diaper production begins with carefully selected raw materials. Each one plays a critical role in keeping babies dry, comfortable, and protected. From absorbent cores to breathable outer layers, everything is engineered for performance. The heart of every diaper is its absorbent core. Wood pulp is shredded into soft fibers and mixed with superabsorbent polymers, tiny crystals that can hold many times their weight in liquid. This powerful combination locks moisture in and keeps the surface dry. Next, the diaper layers come together. A soft top sheet allows liquid to pass through quickly, while a waterproof back sheet prevents leaks. These layers are carefully aligned to ensure comfort and maximum protection. Elastic materials are added to form leg cuffs and waistbands. These flexible components help the diaper fit snugly, preventing leaks while allowing babies to move freely and comfortably. Once fully layered, the diapers are cut into their familiar shape. High-speed machines ensure every diaper is identical, perfectly shaped, and consistently sized. Fastening tabs are then applied. These allow parents to adjust the fit easily while keeping the diaper securely in place. Before packaging, every diaper goes through strict quality checks. Machines and inspectors look for defects, weak seals, or missing components. Only perfect diapers move forward. Approved diapers are folded neatly and stacked. They're then sealed into packs, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. Packaged diapers are boxed, palletized, and loaded onto trucks. From here, they travel thousands of miles to reach homes, hospitals, and stores. So next time you change a diaper, remember, behind that simple product is advanced engineering, precision manufacturing, and years of innovation. That's how diapers are made. Thanks for watching Factory Made. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating factory processes.